Alright, how's everybody doing today? This is Mr. Muscarella coming at you. We're going to take a look at a quick video on finding the area of an oblique triangle using the ASA case. Now here we're presented with a little bit of information about a triangle. So we're going to go ahead and fill that information in on our drawing here. So the first thing you're going to want to do, of course, is angle C is 41, so you want to put a 41 right there. Angle A is 85, and then little b, which is across from side B, or angle B, is going to be 6.4. So when we analyze that, we're like, okay, we've got this angle, a side, and an angle. So two angles in the included side, which makes it the ASA case. Now, anytime we've got the angle side angle case, we're trying to find the area of a triangle, we're going to go ahead and use this handy dandy little formula. Boom. 1/2 a squared sine b sine c, all that over sine a. Now the mistake most people make, they're like, this value right here and this value right there, they have to be angle A, which we already have over here. So what people will do is incorrectly try and find this side over here, little a. It's like, you don't have to do that. All you need for a squared and a sine of a, you need the two sides that, you need a side and angle that are across from one another. So what you're going to do is just simply find angle B first. So use the triangle sum theorem, and when you do that, you're like, okay, 180, so let's kind of think about that. So 180 minus our two angles we're given, 85 minus 41, that's going to end up giving us, so this is angle B that we're trying to find. Angle B is going to be 54 degrees when we do all that subtracting. So we're going to use B in here for our formula, and so we're going to have sine of B here in the bottom, which is 54 degrees. Now, the 1/2, the a squared, all those other pieces, so this value right here, 6.4, we're going to use that as our A. So 6.4 is going to go in for that spot. And then the other two angles, B and C, as they're given in the formula, it doesn't really matter what order you write them in. Nobody really cares because it's just, they're dummy variables. So we're going to use those two angles that were given, actually, sine of 41 and then sine of 85. So we're going to use those two angles that were given, and that's how we're going to set this formula up. And of course, don't forget the 1/2 out front. So next, all you're going to do is just plug that into your calculator, and when you do that, boom, you'll get a nice even 16.544. So if you had to round that to the tenths place, you're going to get 16.5 for the area. Now there's no units given, so you could just say units squared, square units. So that's how you do this problem here. You don't need to find side A. That's the spot most people find, is the error most people make, is they're like, oh, I have to find this value right here, and you don't have to do that because you have all the information you need. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.